what's going on? I guess everyone. I just wanted to come in here and just do a general check-in on the markets. If you don't know, they're not great. Bitcoin's down to 28.8 the last time when I left this morning. So it's not looking great right now. There's a lot of stuff happening that is definitely not going in the right direction for us crypto investors. Unless you got in super early, then you're still good. I'm still up on the majority of my investments and stuff, but right now I just keep seeing this, this downward trend, and this is clear market manipulation. I just want to go over a few things that why my instinct on this. This is just thoughts and feelings and whatever. Because there's not much to back this up. If people are colluding, they're going to definitely hide it. What I do think is we're going to see some evidence of this in months or years to come, that there was some sort of collusion to get us to this point. The whole thing with Luna, like, that was clearly something fishy went down there. You can't just, a $1 billion sale, that's not retail money, guys. That is governmental or some massive organization or a concerted effort of both 2, 3, 4, 5 parties trying to run down the price of that. They run down the price of that, puts fear in the market, and they go, all right, let's get this Bitcoin cheaper. When anything bad happens in the market, questions cryptocurrency, Bitcoin just crashes because there's faith lost in it. It's just FUD. It's FUD. So what's happening is that we're seeing this absolute crazy downtrend, and there's so many retail people trying to fight it, trying to get this is going down. From what I've heard from several influential people that I know personally, a man that I met the other day. He has a company. It does about $180 million in sales a year. He was telling me when Bitcoin, he said Bitcoin's going down to under 25,000, but no less than 20. He truly believes that. I take in consideration that this guy knows what he's talking about because he owns a large sum of Bitcoin, more than a couple Bitcoins, okay? And he said when it goes back down, he's going to toss in at least another 10 Bitcoin. So 250K, around there. So that's a pretty big investment for this guy. He was also talking about buying gold, blah, 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 whatever. One of the most overlooked people speaking right now is my boy, fellow Canadian, Kevin O'Leary. I did attend a conference here in Windsor at one point where he was at. Super nice guy. We got a meet and greet after. Super cool. So he basically came out and said, look, these guys are scaring you into selling your Bitcoin. These organizations, now I don't know why he's coming out with this, because he's heavily invested in fiat as well, but I know that he holds quite a bit of Bitcoin. He has, if you guys don't know, Shark Tank, Kevin O'Leary, Shark Tank, Canadians, you'll know him from Dragon's Den, and he's also one of the richest investment bankers in all of Canada, if not the world, one of the richest. So this guy clearly knows what he's talking about. Again, I don't know why he's come out and said, look, this is what's happening. It's market manipulation. They're having retail investors sell their Bitcoin because they want to buy it cheaper. So then we're forced to buy Bitcoin when it's at 70,000, 80,000, 100,000. These guys are scaring you into selling your Bitcoin at 20,000 when I don't know what you paid for it. You might have bought at the top. You might be down, three times less what you paid for it. So don't let these guys bully you out of your position. That's what they're doing. What happened also with the Bitcoin conference, I don't know if you guys saw that in El Salvador. They have 42 different countries to come together and talk about the possibility of using Bitcoin as their currency. Now, why the hell does this scare the shit out of people? Let me tell you, a lot of these countries were in super deflationary countries. They're in, South America, they're in Africa, they're in the Middle East. So guess what? These countries are bleeding out hard. And what's deflationary? Bitcoin. So they see the value in this. And a lot of the bankers go, that's not good. Bankers control how the world spins, okay? If you don't believe that, I don't know why you're even watching. Bitcoin, it's the next currency, worldwide currency. It's going to be absolutely insane. So guys, what they're doing is they're trying to manipulate the entire market right now. They're like, the bull patterns are there. The bull patterns are there, but it's pulling back because they're clear. They don't want to pay $30,000 for Bitcoin. They don't want to pay $28,000 for Bitcoin. They're going to pay the least they can without like it being blatantly obvious that they're doing this. So if you're down, don't sell, because it's going to turn around. It's going to flip, and they're going to, after accumulation, that's going to be the best part, is when these guys do buy in. That's when the market is going to go absolutely insane. It doesn't matter what you're invested. It does. If you're invested in a good project, like the ones I cover, I truly believe in. If you're invested in one of those, it'll be a blue chip asset, 100%. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. There's going to be some that fail, but there's going to be a lot of money coming into the crypto space. These guys are going to go, wow, all these world leaders, they're all buying Bitcoin. Oh my God, we got to jump in. And eventually, cryptocurrency is the future. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Everyone that knows. The people that don't know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're not in it. But that's pretty much my piece. I don't want to make this too much longer. But guys, the green is ahead of us. I'm not sure how long we're gonna have to fight for it, but it's ahead of us. So hold out, guys. Don't jump off any bridges. Your money is gonna be worth more than you think. Invest in smart projects that have good utility and that are adopted worldwide, okay, guys? Do that for me, okay? Do whatever project you want to get into, as long as it has utility, real case utility, and it's a solid project. No rugs, please. No 10,000x, million-x rugs, okay, guys? Just blue chips, okay? You guys have a good one. I hope you enjoy your day, and to all the people that are watching this years from now, sucks, doesn't it?